So we were all happy to see double sprint, double Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Herah return to the track last weekend, but equally sad to see her physical and mental state. 11.24 is really a schoolgirl time for the fastest woman alive, but the relative pedestrian time aside, it was the spoken word from Thompson-Herah after the race that was most revealing. Talk of physical discomfort, injuries, tears of sorrow and doubt, and even thoughts of quitting. That sound like things are falling apart, which now 100% confirms that it was indeed a professional mistake by Elaine to leave coach Stephen Francis and camp MVP. And look, I fully understood and defended the business part of the decision at the time, not foreseeing that the athletics part of the decision would get so bad so quickly. The back-to-back Olympic sprint double champion, fastest woman alive. So yes, it's now confirmed the move was a mistake. The question is it too late for Elaine?
Sing my song, King.